So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Mullen Automotive stock, ticker symbol MULN in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're here into the Wealthsimple app, go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass. Then when you're in this screen, go to the top where it says search name, symbol, or service. And just for simplicity's sake, search up the ticker symbol MULN. Then once you're there, this is Mullen Automotive Incorporated. Simply just press on this right here. Now, at the time I'm recording this video, it is actually priced at $0.17. So if you wanted to buy this stock, go to where it says buy, press on buy, and then press on stocks right here. Now it says Mullen is very volatile because it is a penny stock. So just simply press on I understand. Now you can search up or you can type in however much money you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you can buy $5 worth right there and then press on continue, or that's how much, sorry, you're buying 5 shares worth. The markets are closed. I will say don't show this again. Next page, continue. Now to confirm your order, simply go to the bottom and press on confirm order right there. And there you go. That is how you guys can buy Mullen Automotive stock, ticker symbol MULN in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.